This video showcases two AI-powered tutors developed by the Teachable AI lab at Georgia Tech in collaboration with AI-ALOE. First, we're going to take a look at a fraction arithmetic tutor building system. Then we're going to take a look at VAL, the verbal apprentice learner, which uses conversation as the main modality of instruction. Both of these projects are angles of investigation of the same question. How can we best enable teachers to tailor-make AI tutor systems for their students? As we develop this technology, that use case will be constantly emphasized, and user-focused evaluations are already planned for both systems.
Hi, my name is Glenn Smith, and I'm a PhD student in the Teachable AI lab at Georgia Tech. Today, I will be exhibiting work on an intelligent agent that utilizes hierarchical task network planners to construct a knowledge representation of tasks taught in a tutoring interface. The agent interacts with a teacher, usually an educator, via multiple modalities, including text dialogue and demonstrations and feedback provided by the teacher. So what does this look like? Given a tutor interface, such as the fractions arithmetic tutor shown here, a teacher can create a set of problems, initialize them to the agent, and through a series of interactions, the agent learns to complete the problem. When the agent lacks the knowledge to complete a step, it will ask clarifying questions, or ask for a demonstration of the correct step to take. Under the hood, the agent constructs a hierarchical plan that contains tasks specified by the teacher and methods which are created by the agent based on teacher demonstrations. Finally, given any configuration of the interface, the agent selects an appropriate method and completes all tasks under that method. This technology allows the teacher to teach the agent, imparting their own knowledge into the system and creating a model that can solve the task in the same ways the teacher has shown it. This tutor and taught model can then be deployed and used to teach students the same tasks. This technology also allows for personalization at the classroom level, giving each teacher the ability to teach in their own style.
Thanks, Glenn. It's Lane again. I'm going to talk now about our work with VAL, the Verbal Apprentice Learner, which combines HTNs like those Glenn just discussed with modern language model technology to allow natural, verbal instruction of an AI agent. While this showcases in a video game environment, this approach is highly general, and we ultimately plan to apply it to tutor building for a wide variety of settings. This is a demo of VAL, the Verbal Apprentice Learner, learning how to cook soup in a video game environment called Overcooked AI. I'm going to ask VAL to perform some tasks, and whenever it doesn't know how, it'll ask me to clarify. As I teach it, it'll learn and remember general forms of the tasks, and it can use those later. Let's start by asking it to cook onion soup. VAL starts knowing two actions, moving somewhere and pressing the spacebar. I asked VAL to cook onion soup, and as it asks me to break that task down, I explain the steps using natural language. ChatGPT technology handles the language understanding portion, so that enables natural, unconstrained interaction as the task is explained. While ChatGPT handles VAL's language understanding, the final learned task structures look like this. They're called hierarchical task networks, or HTNs, and they allow VAL to plan and reason more reliably than many neural AI systems would. The leaves of the HTN can be interpreted as the sequence of VAL's raw inputs into the game. They can also be applied to new situations like this one, where I ask VAL to cook tomato soup. Even though I only taught VAL how to make onion soup before, the hierarchical task network allows the substitution of tomato for onion, and so it doesn't need to ask me how to cook again. VAL combines ChatGPT's language prowess with the reliable, interpretable plans generated by HTNs. As we further develop this technology for teaching AIs the same way we teach humans, we hope to then be able to use the trained AIs to tutor people to do any kind of task, not just in video games.